Hello, and welcome to the first of a bunch of series of videos for Microsoft Windows Server roles and features. My name is Drew, and I've been doing this for quite some time. And my plan for this is to create a whole bunch of small videos. I'll try and keep them around 10 minutes. And I'll create a medium-sized Windows infrastructure for a global company and show you how it's done. So we'll create an Active Directory domain, file servers, and a bunch of other roles and services that most people would use. And as we go along, we'll get more and more advanced. So I'll just jump in here and show you what my overall plan is. So here we have my overall plan with a parent domain called lab.local and then two subdomains, and we'll introduce delegation for different IT teams or staff that can manage Active Directory, and we'll also try and implement a domain trust with an outside party. If we look into a little bit more detail here, this shows a few of examples of the different sites that we'll set up. Each site will have a different subnet, and some will have no domain controllers, and some will have other different amounts, and we'll discuss sites and services and domain replication, and we'll also do a domain migration of a company and bring in users and computer objects from that domain into our domain. And then if we dig down a little bit deeper, so for the example Victoria site, we'll create two domains. We'll create a whole bunch of users and computer objects using, we'll do it manually of course for one or two, and then we'll use PowerShell to create a whole bunch more. We'll show how AD is kind of redundant in that one DC can go offline. We'll also talk about disaster recovery for different services and roles. We'll create two file servers and talk about some of those roles and features. As well, we'll create a continuously available file server. So a little bit better than highly available file server, and that's a new feature that's in, I forget, 2012 or 2016. And then our other sites, we'll just talk about sites and services and site links and try and mimic, or I'll try and mimic that anyways in my lab. And yeah, we'll go from there. Anyways, that's kind of the overview, and I'll just stop talking and jump right into it here and get on to the next video. So I hope you enjoy it. Make sure to put any comments, or if you have better ways to do things, just let me know. If you have other requests, you can mention that too. I don't mind. Thanks.